So with the GPT or the large language models, you can use it to various parts of creating the conversation with the end customer. You can either use it just to recognize what the customer is saying. That's exactly what you mentioned, that one question could be asked in multiple variations, but the context itself is there, the same. And that's where GPT or large language models helps a lot, because they are able to recognize that context. So you don't need to, they know that if you ask, please, would you be so kind and tell me why should I buy the shoes, is the same as saying, like those shoes, should I buy them? Why? So the context is there, and that's super important to help out the understanding of the user is going to say. So that's one part where to use these large language models. The other part that could be used is to actually have these big models create the answer for the chatbot. So pretty much you just let the chatbot chat kind of thing. And there it has its advantages and disadvantages, right? So you can bring much more context. It can be much more person-like. It's going to be much more real, like a real conversation. So it's not like just a simple machine saying the same thing again and again. On the other hand, you're getting away a little bit of the control of the chatbot is going to say. So you need to, again, make sure that there are some use cases where it's better to have this more of a conversation, free conversation. And there are some use cases when you need to follow letter by letter a process, and there's nothing else that the chatbot can say. So that's where it's easier just to use the large language models to understand what the user is saying, but keep strict hand on what the chatbot or the voice bot is going to reply.